Hey guys, my name is 𝔐𝔻𝔰𝔦𝔠, and today I'm going to be unboxing the super popular Walmart Harry Potter mystery wands. Here it is. As you can imagine, I love Harry Potter and witches and magic in general, and I don't actually own a wand. I have made a few really crappy ones, but I don't have like a really good wand. So I figured I'd do a little unboxing today since these Harry Potter mystery wand unboxings have been super popular lately. Shout out to 𝔐𝔤𝔰𝔦𝔠 for doing this first. I actually saw her video of her unboxing one of these, and that's how I found out about it. So credit goes to her. And I am wearing my witch hat to match the occasion. So when I first saw Sabrina's video, I immediately went to Walmart to see if they have them, and they were completely out. But a couple days ago, I went to Walmart to get some birthday presents for my siblings, and they had them in stock. So if you want one of these and your Walmart doesn't have it, just try another Walmart, try again a few days later, and maybe they will have them back in stock because these guys are selling out super quick. Everybody wants one. So let's take a look at the actual wands you can get. So you got Harry Potter's, Hermione's, Ron's, Draco's, Neville's, Luna's, Nymphadora's, Voldemort's, and Death Eater. My absolute least favorite is Draco's because look how simple that is. That's the most generic basic wand I've ever seen. But I really like Hermione's because it's got little vines and leaves all over it. I also really like the Death Eater one because it looks like a super creepy witch wand. I don't really want Voldemort's just because everybody knows what Voldemort's wand looks like. But I do like the bone. And I also like Harry's because it's like a tree stump. But yeah, I think I'd be happy with any of these as long as it's not Draco's. If I end up getting Draco's, I'll probably like embellish it, make it my own thing, because maybe I'll do like a DIY crap if I end up getting Draco's, because this just is too boring. Anyway, time to open it. Let's do this. Alright. Ooh. Smells like a fresh package. Okay, so here's what the box looks like. It looks pretty nice. It looks pretty professional, you know, for a Walmart product. Anyway, let's see which one I get. Please not Draco's. Please not Draco's. Did I get Draco's? I did! Oh my god! I would get Draco's. The one I wanted the least. Ew. Hold on. Do not take this the wrong way. That put a bunch of brown crap all over my hand. I don't know if you can see it. Come on. But it made my hand super dirty. Oh, it's like little hairs. That's weird. I don't know. What should I do? Should I go get another one? Because this is not the one I wanted. I really didn't want this one. Well, I guess this is an opportunity to do a DIY craft on my channel, because, yeah, what should I do with it? Should I do a little, whatchamadoodle? Hot glue? Should I do some hot glue action? Maybe put some swirls, maybe put some leaves and stuff on it? Because this is just the most generic ass wand ever. Ow! It's sturdy. It's really sturdy. It's not gonna break. You're not gonna break this. It ain't breaking. It can't even really bend. So don't whack people with it, because it hurts. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get another one. It's a pretty good size. I think it's an accurate size. It's not painted that well. I don't know if you can see those little streaks of paint. The paint's like streaky. I wonder if I can put this in the oven so I can like put little clay decorations on it. Maybe little mushrooms. Ooh. I don't know, but I got it in the episode because I'm starting to sweat already. It is so freaking hot. It's like boiling outside, and I'm wearing this hat and my hair down, and it's just not a good combination. So I'm sorry I didn't get an exciting one. I'm sorry I got the least exciting one in the whole box. But if you get one, hopefully you're not so unlucky like I am. Unless you like the plain Jane wands, then in that case, good for you, I guess. But anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like. Let me know what other kind of unboxings you'd like me to do. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope to see you in the next video.